Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know? How would they know? How would they know?
I can't. I can't.
Oh my God.
So the Pixel 8 Pro was a device that I had very low expectations of due to my many issues with Google devices. Let's go back down the memory lane. When Google announced that they was coming out with a rebranded smartphone, right, with their custom chips and different software experience, I was excited about it. And you know what? They let me down in so many ways. But has the Google Pixel 8 let me down? Has Google won me over? Let's find out. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Zach back with another video. So let's go back down the memory lane, right? Remember when the Pixel 6 Pro was released, right? It was good and bad. Look, the software was really good. Some of the hardware was good. It had a new look, new branding. The cameras was good. But what was not good was the internal chipset. It had major overheating issues that made the device unusable for using it for long periods of time. The display wasn't as bright enough for outdoor visibility. I did not get the best experience with the Pixel 6 Pro. Well, I thought when I got the Pixel 7 Pro, all these issues would be fixed. But unfortunately, it wasn't. Look, trying the device, using it for a long period of time as my main device, I finally gave up on the Pixel, right? I finally gave up on it, even when I got the Pixel 4. Again, great software, performance, cameras. I mean, it was good, but it was very disappointing when it come down to overheating. And it was unusable for long periods of time with the display becoming dimming, right? The display's dim. When you're outside, you just couldn't see it. So I gave up on the Pixel 7, 6, and the Pixel 4. So my expectations of the Pixel 8 Pro was very low, but damn it, Google finally came through. 2400 nits of peak brightness, right? Better thermals. That's all I wanted. You know, I already know that the software was going to be great. I know that the cameras was going to be great. And I know that the hardware would be great. And I know that the performance would be great. But all I wanted is to use the device for long periods of time without putting gloves on it, because the device gets so hot you could cook an egg on it. All I wanted is when I'm outside filming, I can use the device. When I'm looking at the display, I can see it. And, you know, especially for a demanding task, right? Using the device for a long period of time, I don't want to see screen dimming. So after having a Pixel 8 Pro for about a week, all I can say is, wow, Google finally fixed some of these issues that I've been complaining about for years. Look, let me make this clear. Right? And I'm gonna keep it real. The Pixel 8 Pro doesn't have the best display. If you watch my video between the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Pixel 8 Pro, the display test, you can see it's not the best panel, right? And we know that it's not the most powerful device, according to benchmark tests that tech enthusiasts love to run. And look, it lacks some of my business features that I use on a daily basis, such as pen support in desktop mode. But that's okay, because that's not what I'm looking for in a Pixel device, right? Look, I'm sure that Google will have some of these features in the future, but all I wanted from a Google phone is that Google software, great cameras, a bright display, thermals under control, and finally Google's came through. Look, I can finally say that after using this device for about a week, still got more testing to do. Man, my recommendation is high for this phone right now. I love some of the features of this phone, such as AI, helps with my day-to-day task, right? Speech to text, call screening, putting the call on hold and let Google wait for it, you know? A brighter display, a flat display, great cameras, and more. I finally can rock a Pixel as my daily driver. The Pixel 8 Pro has been a device that I've really enjoyed using every day since I've been having it. And that's all I wanted. That's all I wanted in the device. That's all I wanted. That is the most important to me. I mean, it's very important to me. Look, when it comes down to functionality and features of the best of Google, the Pixel 8 Pro has finally satisfied me. And listen, I know I've been only having this device for about a week or so, right? But I've seen a fundamental difference between devices like the Pixel 7 Pro, the Pixel 6 Pro, going to the Pixel 8 Pro. It is a fundamental difference. The device there a lot cooler. When I'm outside for long periods of time filming, I can finally see the display. When I'm doing long periods of a lot of hard tasks on this device, the screen doesn't dim. It doesn't give me an overheating warning. When I'm filming, using this device outside, taking photos and videos in 4K, I don't get that overheating message on the display saying that this device is about to cut off because it's hot. And I've been testing this device for the last week, and I've been outside testing this device, and it has been very good when it comes down to the thermals. But that's all I wanted in a Pixel device. I wanted the best of Google. Look, this is not a Galaxy S23 Ultra killer. We know this already. If you want a feature-rich device, you already know that the Galaxy S23 Ultra is probably going to be your device. And it will be my device as a secondary device because I do use those desktop features. I do use those pen features. But the difference between the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Pixel 8 Pro is the software. The software that I like is prime on the Pixel 8 Pro. Listen, make sure you subscribe and turn your notification bell on for more content here on this YouTube channel. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 8 Pro and my satisfaction overall having this device after a week. See you guys on the next video. Peace.